Hello everyone. Today is Monday, May 18th, and this starts our sixth week of virtual learning. So in this video, I'm just going to review quickly the activities that are required to get done this week. All right, so our first assignment, we're going to be finishing up the scope bear attack article and questions. So in here we have the assignment link. That'll take you to the questions, and that looks like this. Okay, here's what the assignment looks like. You'll see I have a PDF of the article, and then in here you have the questions that you need to answer that go along with the article. I also read the story out loud, so if you want it read to you, make sure you click on that link. The second assignment for this week is you're going to be taking your vocabulary quiz 8.14. You can do this at any time. It's due Sunday night at 9. And I have study tools in here as well for you to study before you take that. All right, if you have any questions about the assignments for this week, just let me know. Have a great week.